We at K. Austin and Associates are proud to have been named one of Humble, Texas's top construction companies for flood damage restoration. We are devoted to rebuilding properties in a timely, secure, and effective manner since our skilled crew knows how terrible flood damage can be. Are you looking for a construction company near me? You can stop looking. You found K. Austin and Associates. What specific services does your company provide for flood damage restoration? Our comprehensive restoration services include every aspect of a building, from water extraction and drying to dehumidification, mold inspections and remediation, trash removal, and complete structural rehabilitation. To make sure your property is returned to its pre-flood condition or better, we can repair and replace flooring, drywall, concrete, siding, plumbing, and interior design. How quickly can your team respond to a flood emergency? Time is of the essence in flood emergencies, and K. Austin and Associates is ready to respond swiftly and efficiently to limit damage and start restoration immediately. When our customers need us most, we are here to help with our round-the-clock emergency response services. In response to your call, our team of trained restoration experts and licensed general contractors will rush to the scene of the accident to evaluate the damage, start the water extraction process, and stabilize the property to avoid additional damage. What is your service area? Our K. Austin and Associates serve the following Texas locations: New Caney, Spring, The Woodlands, Tomball, Pinehurst, Dayton, Liberty, Houston, Pasadena, La Porte, Baytown, Jersey Village, Dyersdale, Crosby, Westfield, Aldine, Humble, Texas. Where is your K. Austin and Associates office located? We are located at 302 East Main Street, Humble, Texas 77338, United States. Our phone number is 281-540-5401. Visit our website, https://www.kaustin.com/.